What is up, guys? Carl Billy, and in this video I am going to show you how to take your rotor off your Mercedes Benz. This is my Mercedes Benz CLK 430. Yeah, I need to wash it, but I'll be taking off the rotor here to take off the dust shield and letting out all the emergency brake pads. Earlier and we was driving the car, I just hop up and slip to the side. That's not safe. See, I want to be here to be more videos for you and show you how to break with your car. Well, so this is what I'm going to do until I am able to order a new brake pad, new dash shield. So right here you got two bolts. You have two bolts for your caliper. First off, you got to start off take off the caliper. If you don't take off your caliper, well, it'll be impossible. This is a 16mm wrench, ratchet and socket. So I'm gonna take it off. See, the bolts ain't really come off, so I'm using a pipe. Just break them. One to the bottom, and next one to the top. See, look. Ouch, that hurt. You got this one to the top. When you take it off, you gotta take off the one to the bottom. As you can see, it's loosening off. I already took off the next side because that's one that's giving us a huge problem. But hey, after this, you should be a-okay. But then, before time, it was just shaking, making a little noise every now and then. But it caught us off guard this morning. But this one right here is going to be easy to take off. As you can see, right here. You took it off, and now the brake caliper just pulled right off. So now I don't really have to pull it off. So I'm just now I'm really trying to break it off, you know. I'm just trying to get it off because I don't want to take off the whole brake pads and all that. So I'm just okay. So I'm gonna get to little bucket. Get a bucket to hold caliper on. Right off. Okay. So these ain't really coming off like that, so I'll just Shit. I for this brake caliper. Just back on to where I can just hit this piece off. Okay. I'm gonna try it right here and just okay. Alright, you see? It should come right off. To break my Allen key on this one. It's coming off. Gotta make sure you eat your beans. Make sure you eat your beans. And now the bolt comes off. See, this blue stuff on it is a thread locker. And hold it in place because it's like a high vibrant area. So now, see if I can basically take it off. This way it's gonna be a little hard to take off. So I advise that you spray it off with some WD-40. Then do what I did in the back. Just hit it off. Switch your ears after a while, but just keep hitting it. I didn't want that to happen, but it happened. So yeah, now that right there is what we have. So now I gotta take all this off. So what happened on the next one was that all this came apart, like all this inside here fell off. So now it costs see, now I got my wheel back on. See? Look at it now. Done. So now just gotta make sure it's running, make sure it don't crack a lock, and that's me. stop for here. The speed bump perfect, right? Well, as you can see, my bypass went very well, so make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. Well, hey, it's Mercedes, huh? So make sure you like and subscribe for more vehicle content. Peace.